Hey mob, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are back with another hair tutorial. So this hair is from Alipearl hair, and you guys, it is this beautiful chocolate brown wig. This is actually the color number 4. I have the 5x5 HD lace brown body wave wig. It is 22 inches and 180% density. And you guys already know how I do. When it comes to closures, it's going to be a completely glueless install. So if you want to see exactly how I was able to achieve this beautiful look, then continue to watch. So per usual, I'm just going to give you guys a very quick unboxing as to what all came with the hair. Alipearl hair made sure to hook you up, okay? So here's the wig. As I mentioned before, it is their number 4 body wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Look at that shine and look at that movement, you guys. This hair is so pretty. Also, I gave you a very good close-up of that lace. You could definitely tell that it is HD and it's going to be a quick and easy install. And of course, I show you guys the inside of the wig, which has the combs and the adjustable straps at the bottom. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part. We're going to go ahead and get into the styling portion. So I already sewed on my elastic band. I told you guys how to do it before. All you do is measure the elastic band to your head, sew it on one end of the closure to the other end of the closure. It's really simple, but if you guys would like another video where I explain it in detail and show you guys, then just let me know in the comment section down below. But as soon as I put on this wig, y'all look, it looks so pretty, and I could already see that that lace is going to be melted. So right away, we're going to go ahead and start the hot combing process. I use my wax stick, comb the hair back, go in with a hot comb just to really make sure that that wig is laying flat. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that additional lace. So I cut in the center of the lace, and then I use my small razor comb to get rid of the rest of the lace. And then I go back in with my smaller scissors to kind of just clean it up a tad bit. But you guys will see that as soon as I cut off this lace, it was looking extremely natural. Like it was looking like it was coming out of my scalp. So this lace is absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm just giving you guys a close-up as to how glueless this is. Obviously it is 110% glueless. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use some makeup to cover up the lace just a little bit, just to kind of make it look a little bit more like my skin color, you know what I mean? Really make it look like it's coming from my scalp. But as I told you guys multiple times, this is one of the main reasons why I love closures, because it's so easy to work with. Like, you know, unless you want to do a crazy hairstyle or you really love the full lace frontal, because they do have this same wig in that option as well. So if you want a 13x4, you can definitely get that. But I just love closures because they are so easy to install. So now I am going to brush the hair out, and then I am going to start the flat ironing process. Alright, so now that the flat ironing is pretty much done, I'm going to start the styling portion. So I was going back and forth as to whether I wanted to do like a cute like half up half down type of thing, or if I wanted to do a side part, because when I parted this first side I was like, oh my god, this will look really cute as like, you know, a side part for the styling portion. But I really wanted to show off that lace because that lace was looking so realistic, so I decided to do a half up half down, and that's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna let you guys watch and I will come back towards the end. Alright you guys, so we are pretty much done. Like I said, I really wanted to show off that lace, and I feel like this style definitely did that. It's super cute and very simple, and this hair was so easy to work with. I'm sure you guys noticed it, like as I was flat ironing it and styling it, this hair didn't have any tangles, it didn't have any shedding, not to mention it is super sleek and silky. So as usual, I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check out Alipearl Hair, and Alipearl Hair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I'm in absolute love with this wig, and this one is definitely a keeper. Like I said, just check out the description box down below for all the info. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.